Iowa lawmakers have approved the most restrictive abortion law in the country, and now it's heading to the governor's desk.
The Senate debated the measure for several hours early this morning before coming to a vote. Senators passed it on a vote of 29 to 17. The yes votes included 28 Republicans and 1 independent. And the House had approved the bill just hours earlier. If Governor Reynolds signs this bill, it would become the country's most restrictive anti-abortion law. Tonight we have reaction from both sides on this issue. KCRG TV 9's Allison Wong begins our team coverage live from Dubuque.
And Allison, the group you spoke with today supports this, what they call the heartbeat bill.
That's right. Dubuque County Right to Life Executive Director Ashley Stackus says her organization is excited that the bill passed, and they're looking forward to the lives that it could potentially save if the governor signs it. But she still thinks it doesn't go far enough. The bill includes exceptions for rape, incest, or if the mother's life is at risk in delivering the child. Stackus says they believe a baby in the womb is a human life regardless of any other circumstances. She says they would prefer to see an outright ban.
We believe that life is life at conception. It is still a child no matter what. No matter how it was conceived, that child is still a child.
Stackus says she does not believe this bill takes away women's rights over their bodies, saying a child is a separate entity from the mother. Stackus also said there are many resources in the Dubuque area for expecting mothers who might need some help, and she says Dubuque County Right to Life right here will connect women to those resources and also provide as an education center. Live in Dubuque, Allison Wong, KCRG TV 9 News.
Now, this is a divisive issue, abortion, and those opposed to the bill are also reacting. The University of Iowa Medical School says it could lose accreditation because of this legislation, and 3 Republicans in the Iowa House of Representatives voted against it. KCRG TV 9's Bria Love continues our team coverage tonight, and she joins us live from Emma Goldman Clinic in Iowa City, which advocates for women to have access to abortion services. So, Bria, what did the clinic say?
Well, Beth, the clinic here says that it hopes to stop the bill from moving any further, and it's very disappointed in the outcome of the vote. Emma Goldman provides non-surgical and surgical abortion services for women. It says this bill is trying to take control of a woman's choice to her fertility. I spoke with Planned Parenthood of the Heartland also, which says it is horrified and called the vote, quote, heinous. I spoke with both clinics today about their thoughts.
We think that the ban is extreme and intrusive. And if Governor Reynolds does sign it into law, it'll be the most restrictive abortion ban in the nation.
It is unconstitutional, it is dangerous, and it is incredibly unpopular. Iowans do not want this, and we will hold folks accountable for the actions that they take.
Emma Goldman Clinic and Planned Parenthood say they are both calling on Governor Reynolds to veto the legislation. And coming up tonight at 6, hear from Republican Iowa State Representative Lee Hine, who voted no on that bill, and his thoughts tonight. Live in Iowa City, Bria Love, KCRG TV 9 News.